So if all of a sudden you try accessing your Roblox account and you get this message show up right on your face, then it means your Roblox account has been banned. Now it doesn't matter whether your account has been banned for a day, 3 days, or even 7. The thing there is that your account has been banned. But the fortunate thing with it is that you can get your account unbanned regardless of the reason why your Roblox account got banned. So if you're looking to unban your Roblox account, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you need to take to assure the reinstatation of your account. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before going any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that all the steps provided in this video have been handwritten and without skipping any step in the video description. Okay, so you can get a link to a complete written guide of this tutorial from the video description and more important sections mentioned in this video. So don't forget to check the video description for important mentions and resources. Now the first thing that you always want to do when trying to get your Roblox account unbanned is to understand exactly why your account got suspended or banned in the first place. Now if you're banned for a day, 3 days, or even 7 days, just like in my case, you will see the reason show up there, that the moderator note at the moderator note section, that your account has been banned or has been suspended for violating our terms of service for exploiting. Okay, so this is the reason why this Roblox account got banned or got suspended for a day. In the situation where you've been banned for 3 days, your moderator note might be different. In the case where your account has been banned for 7 days, 5 to 7 days, it will still be different. But if you get banned for an indefinite period, you should probably see the moderator note there as bye-bye. So it means that they are actually telling you not to come back on the platform. But that's just a way to talk, because you still hold that right to appeal their decision. Okay, so before even appealing the decision, it's good to understand why your Roblox account got banned, and there are just many reasons to this. And if you come on social platforms just like Reddit, you should find out many users crying out their accounts getting banned recently, and the reasons in most cases are always the same: violation of the terms of services or exploitation, which is a common practice by most Roblox users on the platform. Okay, so what you should do is you understand the reason why you've been banned, and if you already know why you've been banned, or if you just get that moderator note and capture why you've actually been banned, then you are ready for the next step. So now that you know why your Roblox account has been banned, you are ready for this step. Okay, so the next step will be to submit an appeal, okay, for reinstatement of your account. And to do so, you can just get into the Roblox support form by coming to this link. I will provide the link to this in the video description. Alternatively, in the mail that you received, you should be able to find a direct link to their violations and appeal sections in your moderation notification from the Roblox box. Okay, so just come to this Roblox support form, and then this is how the support form should look like. Okay, and if your account has been banned, there is a great probability that you won't be logged into your account, as you see right here. And what you have to do is you will see this contact form that you'll be required to fill. Okay, so the challenge or the thing that most Roblox users don't understand is that they get to fill this form in an incorrect way. Okay, in most cases you try to trick the contact form just so they'll get around your issue, but doing that is not going to solve your issue, because they will still get to the root of your banishment. So on this contact form here, your username, you want to enter your Roblox username, your first name, which are two optional details required from them, because from your email address they should be able to get these first two options. So you want to make sure that you enter your email address and confirm your email address as well. Okay, so after providing your details, you get to the most interesting section of this contact form, which is the issue details. Okay, so now you need to select the device from where you are accessing this form. Okay, if you're on your PC, you select PC. If you're an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, you just select anyone. So I'll just select PC, which is the case for me. And now you'll be required to select the type of the help category. So this is a section where most users trick or play the system, and I will strongly disadvise you from playing the system because it won't lead you anywhere. So you just want to select the category type. In this section, if you believed your account was really hacked, or you can't access it, or you got a suspension, a banishment for inaccess to your account and unrecognized exploitation of their services, you should probably check this option. Okay, maybe it's your kid or sibling that try to trick the system with your account, so you just want to select this account hack. Okay, but if it wasn't the case, you want to scroll down until you see the moderation section. Okay, just select this moderation section just like so, and then you want to select the category, and then you select I was wrongly moderated for my behavior or the behavior of an alternate account. So just make sure you select that one, and then you enter your issue, you describe your issue. Okay, this is another important section of this form, and while describing your issue, you need to make sure that you are very precise and direct with your issue. Okay, don't write long jargons or don't write long paragraphs that are going to lead you nowhere with no valuable information. Go straight to the point and hit it where it's supposed to hit. You sound louder. So as a quick example, you can see that this is an appeal that I have redirected. Okay, it is very short and straightforward. You can see I wrote there that I understand my account was banned for cheating and exploiting, and I take the responsibility for the violation. Okay, I truly regret this mistake, and I assure you that it won't happen again, and I kindly ask for your second chance and the reinstatement of my account. I appreciate your consideration. Okay, so if you come to the first section here, you will notice that I mentioned the reason why my account was banned. Okay, I own up for the mistake, which is something that you should consider doing in your appeal form. And if you go to the next section, I accepted the responsibility, okay, of the violation. I took full responsibility of the violation, and also I affirmed that, or I confirmed that I regretted this mistake and I assure not to happen again. Okay, and then lastly, I requested a second chance and the reinstatement of my account. Okay, so those are just 4 crucial points you should keep in mind when submitting such an appeal for your account moderation, for your Roblox account banishment. And I can assure you that if you submit your form this way, you should be able to get a response from them within a day and 3 days. Okay, so you should be expecting a response from this Roblox team between 1 and 3 days. And for those that got their Roblox account hacked, you can also use this form. Okay, this appeal format. You say you understand why your account was banned due to cheating or exploitation, and then however, I believe this was not my doing as my account was hacked. Okay, and I sincerely ask for a review and reinstatement, and I've taken steps to secure my account to prevent future issues. Okay, so this is just a form, an appeal format that you can use in case your Roblox account got hacked or got access without your permission. Okay, and I would disadvise you to use this if in case it wasn't the reason why your account was hacked, the reason why your account was banned. Because just as I said earlier, though, check into your account to see if there is any IP address that doesn't relate to the one you usually use, and using a VPN will not help you get around this issue. Okay, so I strongly advise you to apply in the right way, because that is where most users fail and get their account permanently deleted or banned from the Roblox platform. So there are some restrictions when you consider when submitting an appeal. You need to know that your appeal must be submitted within 30 days of the moderation action affecting your account. Okay, because once a moderation has been reviewed, it cannot be reviewed again, and duplicate appeals for the same moderation action on an account will not be reviewed. So submitting many different appeals at the same time wouldn't help solve your account. You can only resubmit an appeal after 3 days of not getting or of not hearing anything from the Roblox team. But hopefully for those located in the EU, or the EU users will have up to 6 months to submit an appeal for a content moderation or an account moderation. Okay, so if you're located in the EU Act, the Digital Services Act for the EU citizens is a very favorable act that profits them to getting a longer time to respond to a content moderation or an account moderation. Okay, so what if these 30 days just got past you? What exactly can you do? So I'm afraid that while I'm not a fortunate person of carrying unfortunate news, I would like to emphasize on the fact that there is no way for you to get your account back after 30 days. So it should just be an act of a miracle from the Roblox team to get back to you after 30 days if you are not located in the EU region. So if you are submitting an appeal after 30 days of the moderation, you should rest assured that your account is going to get reinstated, or you will hear back from the Roblox team if you are located in the EU. Okay, but if you are not in the EU, you should have lesser chances of getting a response from the Roblox team, because your access or your moderation has been, the content moderated gets deleted within or after 30 days of the action that has been taken for your account. So you definitely need to appeal the decision within 30 days of the moderation action. Okay, so hopefully after requesting the appeal, you should get your Roblox account reinstated and be able to access the Roblox platform once more. Okay, so guys, I thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss any coming content from us. So I catch you in the next episode.